How to change graphics quality in Hunting Sniper. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the graphic quality in Hunting Sniper quickly and easily. First of all, open up the Hunting Sniper game on your device, and from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Now click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to Game. Under Game, go to Quality option. Choose the graphic quality you want for your game. You can choose between Original, High, Low, or Medium. After you do that, you can get back to the home page, and that's how you can easily change your graphics quality in Hunting Sniper application. Choose the quality that works for your phone or your device. Whether you want smoother gameplay or better visuals, find the setting that feels right and enjoy Hunting Sniper. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.